Hi folks, my last video was a couple of days ago. Woke yesterday morning to heavy rain and it rained all day long. So I didn't get my bike rack done, but I'm going to do it today. I'm loving this campsite. I said it's massive, but the part for motorhomes is right up near the beach, 100 meters from the beach. Swimming pools, bars, somebody said there was a restaurant, and it's well laid out, lots of different types of pitches, good strong electricity. The water's right beside me for filling my tank and it's super strong. The toilet blocks, there's a brand new one, and the one I'm going to now is fantastic. I'm actually going to do my washing, which I'm not going to bore you with. I'm getting followed by a big bee, and it is two big bees, oh good. Great facilities, almost instant hot water, which is great. Turns out the washing machines need tokens and it gets miles away, so I'll have to get my bike off now. I was going to do that anyway. Right, for me and me straps, has to be on nice and strong. You're on the handlebars today. I'm heading up to buy a token for the washing machine, and then there's a wee international shop just outside the gates, according to my phone, according to Google. So give it a go. No, my legs are a wee bit sore already. Oh. He said hello, that doesn't happen very much. Doesn't look it, but this is all uphill. I'm looking forward to coming back. Slightly frightened driving in these roads. International shop, my bum didn't even have coffee. I'll just keep riding until I find a better shop. Brilliant, supermarket ahead.
Later.
Bit embarrassed, and I just said gracias to the guy in the shop instead of ciao. I'm definitely a bit wobbly. Years of not doing it, I suppose. Getting a lot of looks again. Typical tourist. White t-shirt and shorts. Everyone else is walking about like it's the middle of the winter. Big coats on. This is me back in the campsite now. I go in and get the tokens, hopefully. Downhill bits. Telling you, they're always easier, whether you're walking or on a bike. I had a learner teaching her how to drive, and I remember she used to always say, I like walking down hills, but I hate driving down them. The car goes too fast. And I used to say to her, well, it goes the same speed as it goes up the hill, you've got an accelerator. She really hated going downhill. And of course, personality I have. She shouldn't have told me she had to go down a lot of hills in my driving lessons. You know, as soon as someone tells you you're afraid of something and you're teaching them to drive, you gotta make them face their fear. Now I'm mountain biking, I'm on the grass. Another wee job I have to do now is fill the tank with water. I'm out of water in the van. Whee! Enjoyed that. That's a child coming out in me. Comes out quite a lot, to be honest with you. The last job of the day is going to be shortening the bike rack, but I'll put that off as long as I possibly can today, but I will do it.
2 hours later.
And I'm going to start off on bolting. Just realised I forgot about my clothes. I put them in the washing machine about 3 hours ago. Now this is the bit where you hope you haven't made any mistakes. So the next bit is need to drill holes. Holes drilled. Show you. It's upside down. I don't know how that done a full twist like. Yeah, I have to take it off, unbolt it and put it back around. Ta-da! Everything working. Well pleased. 45 minutes. It's been a fairly productive day, and I'm going to finish it off with something I've never done before. Never on my own. Barbecue. So I bought a wee cheap barbecue stand before I left, and charcoal and stuff, and I think the dogs are going to get a treat then too tonight. This is a new thing to me. Just like the bag. It's not going to work. Bottom if it's wet, that's not going to help. That's why that's went out. I didn't believe it was going to light, and I know barbecue purists will probably be annoyed with me, but I stuck a whole load of sheets of A4 crumpled up into it to see if it helps. I remember somebody saying to me, you always think barbecues aren't going to light if you're not used to them, but as long as the charcoal's going white, so I do believe that it's light, but that is just because I'm a very optimistic person. It's now looking like it's like it's going out. Anyway, I'll sit and have a Coke. Came out okay. Bet you didn't know you could make chips in a barbecue. After that very productive day, I'm going to leave you. And if you enjoyed the video, subscribe, thumbs up, comment would be great. But from me, my two dogs, in this beautiful evening, bye for now.